In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a file on your desktop without deleting it. This can be particularly useful if you want to declutter your workspace or keep certain files out of plain sight. First, start by heading over to your computer's desktop. Once you're there, look for the specific file that you'd like to hide. In this example, we'll be working with a PowerPoint presentation. When you've located the file, go ahead and right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and from that menu, you'll want to select the Properties option. This will open a new window that displays the properties for the chosen file. Inside the Properties window, focus your attention on the section labeled Attributes. Here you'll see a few options, one of which is Hidden. By checking this box, you're instructing your computer to conceal the file from immediate view on your desktop. It's important to know that this action won't delete the file. It simply hides it from sight. Once you've checked the hidden box, click Apply. A quick confirmation prompt may appear, but don't worry, just go ahead and click OK to proceed. At this point, it's worth mentioning that even though you've marked your file as hidden, you might still see it on the desktop. This occurs because, by default, your computer may still be set to show hidden files. To fully complete this process, we'll need to adjust a few more settings. Now head over to this PC, which is typically accessible from your File Explorer or desktop. This step involves accessing the larger set of file and folder options on your computer. Once you've opened this PC, find the menu at the top of the window and click on the View tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of display settings, including options related to the visibility of hidden files. From here, look for the option labeled Show. Click on it to expand more settings. Within this set of options, you will find Hidden Items. There will be a checkbox next to this option. By default, it might be checked, which is why you can still see your hidden file. Uncheck the box, and this action will make your PowerPoint file and any other hidden items disappear from the desktop view. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a file without deleting it. If at any point you wish to make these files visible again, simply reverse the last few steps by going back to the View tab, selecting Show, and rechecking Hidden Items. This straightforward process allows you to tidy up your desktop while keeping your files intact and accessible whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for maintaining a clean and organized workspace.